you're going to want to see this cook. Pork chops with Uncle Steve shake, gator shake on the outside, and the Cajun butter from Louisiana, fish fry products injected inside these awesome pork chops. Using the ZGRILLS today, people. It's Papa, Texas. And this is another Papa's Kitchen. Alright, so all we do, I did go clean this. We'll get that in there. We're going to fill these suckers up. Get it up in there. Watch it. Woo! It's got a hole right there. You gotta watch out. Woo! For that stuff. Porous. A little bit more right there. You see how we're going with this? That's the way it should do, right there. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of these and we'll be right back. Alright, now we're at the point we're gonna take the Uncle Steve shake, gator shake, and we're gonna get it on there nice and good. This stuff is awesome. This is an awesome mix. It was with chicken and hopefully it is with this. We're gonna get both sides of these. Uncle Steve shake link is always in my description down below, and I will find this and put it in there. I think this is in my Amazon store. That link is down below. You can find it there too, and you can find a bunch of my other things I cook with and cook on. And I'll get this done and I'll show you them on the grill. Alright, there we are. I'll let you know we're cooking with the ZGRILLS today. And I'll also let you know one more thing. Uncle Steve shake, if you go over to his website, he has a special going on right now for the holidays. If you have never tried it, or if you want to buy more with a discount, get over there and get that. I said that looks pretty good. I got some garlic bread. Alright y'all, this looks fantastic. It really does. Let's come over here. We're gonna take this boy right here. See what we got. Looks pretty good. Get it off of there. Go with this bite. Oh yes. Uncle Steve shake, gator shake on the outside. Louisiana fish fry products. Cajun butter on the inside. Boo, you gotta be jealous right now on that stuff. Woo! I don't think it's really hot, but there's a kick in there. It's just really good. It's really good. First time doing pork chops with it. As y'all know, gator shake, Uncle Steve shake is always linked down below. He's got a special going on for the holiday. And I'll leave a link to it. Oh man, hits my throat. The Cajun butter inject comes with the injector right there. Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you next Sunday.